Hello everybody and welcome to this video. In this video, you will learn how to deploy Fortinet web application firewall called FortiWeb. To do this, you will need an OEF file of FortiWeb. The download link of this file is in the video caption. You should download the file and deploy it as I do here in this video. After you downloaded the file, you should extract it and follow the steps as you see in this video. After FortiWeb booted up completely, the first step is to set a password for the admin user, because by default this user has no password. The next step is to set an arbitrary IP address to port 1 and assign necessary accesses such as ping, HTTP and HTTPS to that port in order to access FortiWeb via its web interface. Finally, you can access FortiWeb from a client that its IP address is in the same range as FortiWeb port 1 address. Now you can easily open FortiWeb web interface via a browser and log in with the admin user and the password you have set before. Now you have finished deploying FortiWeb as easy as you saw. You should know that this is a trial 2 weeks version, and after this time you will lose access to it. But it's a good period to test and evaluate this product, setting up your lab and getting familiar with FortiWeb configurations and features.